Okay, why do I want to build a personal brand? Well, because now in the age of AI, right, basically everything is becoming commoditized. So what I mean by that is that, anyone can go ahead now and build a 100-page ebook lead magnet, or anyone can put together a course, or, that is not where the value is. The value is not going to be any longer in like the products or anything like this, Where the real value is going to be is going to be in authentic personal brands. And that's also the reason why I'm starting to do more of these like live streams, why I'm also going to be doing more like raw content where I'm just talking, because humans, people connect, they don't remember necessarily like, statistics or numbers or anything like complex kind of cognitive prefrontal cortex things, right? They will remember like your stories, your beliefs, your values, right? Those are very important. And that's where kind of the real connection comes in, because in this age of AI, I believe and I bet that we're going to be craving more of the human connection. That's what we want, right? So forming these parasocial relationships on the internet. And that's why I'm leaning more towards the personal brand, because the more we move into this era of like automation and where these kind of products are losing their value, right? That the pure information is going to be more about the human connection. So personal branding, in my opinion, is going to be extremely important. I think that if you want to play this game long term, you need to push yourself out there, not be scared, say what you think, say what you believe, right? Say your values, share your stories, right? And some people will connect with that. So that's why I think personal brand is super important. It's because it will give you, like, it's the only moat you can have, right? If you're in this, doing this thing, right? Warren Buffett talks about the moats. Well, no one can be you, right? Like you're unique, huh? You're a unique butterfly. Like really, you're unique, right? So no one can be you, and if you just talk and you share stories, then that's the unique thing about you, is just being who you are. So yeah, that's why I think personal brands are important.